Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite products I've been using all throughout the month of June, and that will be the video. So if you would like to see what I've been loving this month, please keep watching. Alright, so the first product that I've been absolutely loving, it's making my life easy when I blow dry my hair. This is the Revlon, I think it's just called the round brush, blow dry brush, I have no idea. So it's really easy to use. All I do is I kind of towel dry my hair, let it air dry as best as I can. I'll put my styling products in my hair, then I turn this guy on, and what I do is I section off my hair, so I'll start from the bottom and then work my way to the top. They have different settings here, so you have off, cool, low, and high. I usually always keep it to high. You flip it on, turn it on, and I did a tutorial on this. I will link it down below. And then you just round brush your hair. It is excellent. I have so much hairspray in my hair right now, I can't get it through. So you turn the hair dryer on, it blows heat onto your hair. It's also round brushing your hair at the same time. I always try to take the blow dryer myself and then take the round brush and do it myself with both hands. It doesn't work for me. I'm not a hairdresser, I'm not good at this. This right here is for people that just don't know how to blow dry their hair, which would be me. You just turn it on, press go, and you end up with the most beautiful, blown out, salon looking kind of quality hair. Very affordable. I think I paid about $60-ish for this in Canada. I was going to buy the Dyson blow dryer, and then after I purchased this, I'm thinking I'm gonna probably hold off on the Dyson right now because I really like this and I think it's great. So if you're looking for something that's easy to use, blow dries your hair quickly, plus styles it, you're really gonna love this. Okay, then I have this hair crimper, which I love. This is from the brand Junma. I have no idea. I got it on Amazon. I think I paid about $30 for it. It's a really large waver. So if you do have a lot of hair, if you have long hair, you're really gonna like this. It will, section off your hair, and you can honestly crimp your whole head probably within 20 minutes, I would say. It does a really nice job, puts a really great wave in your hair. The smaller the crimper, the tighter the waves will be. So the reason why I really like this one is because it really does make your hair look like beachy, loose waves. I don't really want the whole crimpy thing that happened in the 80s. I'm looking for more of like a loose beach wave. And I really like doing this to my hair in the summertime just because I find when you do get sweaty, your hair starts to frizz and gets, crazy. When you do have a nice wave in it, it just kind of looks like a messy kind of beach wave, and it just looks like you tried, but you really didn't. So this is a great trick for summer, something easy to use, really bohemian chic, and very affordable. Highly recommend this, really like it. And since we're talking about hair, I have a new hairspray that I really absolutely love, and I kind of love it more than this guy right here. Let me show you. So I really do like this a lot. This is the Redken Forceful 23. It's a super strength hairspray. I love this. I've talked about this many times, but I think I like this more. This is the Sebastian Reshaper. It's brushable, humidity resistant, strong hold hairspray. There's two kinds. I bought the black one. I think this is like the extra hold one, and I really like it. The only thing I don't love about it, it has that, that hairspray smell. They don't mask it with any kind of perfume, which is fine. I don't like perfume smells anyways, but it just smells like a typical hairspray. But what I like about this is it really holds my style. Sometimes when I curl my hair the next day, it will just pretty much completely be gone, but I find when I do use this, it really keeps the shape, and I just automatically the next day wake up with really nice hair. So it does hold, it's very brushable like it says, and anything that is humidity resistant for this time of the year, I'm going to try it. But I really do like this, and I think it's worth the money. I think it's about $20 at the drugstore. But you know what? I've tried a lot of cheapy hairsprays, and I don't like them. I'm just not a fan of the cheap hairspray. I find they don't really do what I want them to do, Okay, so the next product that I have is also for the hair. It's the Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat Shampoo, and it's in the scent of coconut extract, and it's 98% natural. This was sent to me along with the conditioner and the mask. I've tried all of them. I'm pretty much done, but I can tell you that I really like the shampoo. When it comes to the conditioner, it's good. I just find it's not that when you put it in your hair, when you can work conditioner in, it really detangles. I find the conditioner for this brand doesn't really do that to my hair, so that's why I'm kind of not talking about it. But I really like the shampoo. I like the way it lathers. I like the way it cleans. I love the way it smells. So if you're looking for a really nice, more than natural side shampoo, definitely check this one out because I really like it. Alright, so SoftSoap came out with this body wash. It's the Coconut Gentle Wash with coconut oil and lemongrass. It's formulated without parabens, phthalates, also hypoallergenic. I really like this. This is my second repurchase. This was actually given to me, and I used the whole thing and I loved it, so I went out and I bought a whole other one. The reason why I really like this is because, first of all, it doesn't contain any of the crap that regular body washes contain, but it's very affordable, and I love the smell, and it's great because when I do shave my legs, I can use this as has kind of my lather, and I don't get razor bumps or irritation. I think because it's hypoallergenic, it's great. I really, really like this. It's biodegradable. It's also pH balanced, but I do highly recommend this if you're looking for a hypoallergenic body wash that has a really nice smell, because I find sometimes hypoallergenic body washes don't have really any smell at all. So this is a great option for you, and it's affordable. So I highly recommend this. 2 thumbs up. Good job, SoftSoap. It's keeping me clean. Okay, then I have this product, which is really amazing. So this is Avon. Avon. I have not used Avon since I was probably like 14 or 13. This is the Avon Senses Fresh Bergamot and Wild Mint Shower Gel. This was also sent to me, and when I got this in the mail, I thought, oh my god, I'm never going to use this because the name scared me. I thought, that's not going to smell good. It is amazing. This body wash, I highly recommend. It's also free from parabens, sulfates, silicones, phthalates, and dyes, which is great. Really hydrates your skin, and the reason why I like this, the smell on it, it's half manly, half womanly. So my husband and I both use this. This scent will stay in your bathroom for days. So my bathroom just permanently now smells like this beautiful smell. I can't really describe it, but bergamot and wild mint, I don't think I would describe it like that. It's just beautiful. I have 2 body creams that I've been really loving this month. The first one here is the Moisture Rich Body Lotion with Shea Butter for dry skin from Clarins. This one is on the pricier side, but it's very, very hydrating. The only thing that I don't love about this is the smell. It kind of smells like, it smells a little bit like a sophisticated older woman. Just a little bit. Like it has that bougie luxury smell, and I could do without, but the body lotion itself is absolutely amazing, super hydrating, rubs out beautifully. I love this. It's amazing. So if you're looking for an upscale, moisturizing, highly moisturizing body lotion, you'll really like this. It contains shea and it's excellent. The other one that I have that I love also is the Bioderma Atoderm Intensive Balm. This is for a very dry, irritated, atopic skin, also great for sensitive skin, great for children as well, hypoallergenic. I love this. This is a great value. I think it retails for about $35 in Canada. You get a lot. There's no smell on it. It just really, really hydrates the skin, and I find this time of year I need as much hydration as possible because when I do go out in the sun, you do get the flaking, you get the peeling. I do wear my sunscreen, but this really helps keep the moisture into my skin, and I love how it doesn't irritate, and I also love how this has no smell whatsoever. So when you wear perfume, it does not interfere. So I highly recommend this one. If you're feeling really bougie though, check out this one because it's also amazing. So I have 3 face creams that I've been using. So the first one we're going to talk about, let's talk about this guy right here. This is the Multi-Function Formula All-in-One Snail Repair Cream. It's a high concentration of 92% snail extract, which is kind of disgusting, and it promotes skin repair, effectively resolving skin problems. This is by the brand Mizon. So I actually looked this up. You can buy this on YesStyle. This was sent to me a long time ago. I never opened it, but Mizon is the brand, and I did look it up, and in Canada, apparently you can find it at Walmart. It retails, it's very affordable. I thought it was way more expensive than what it was. I think it retails for about $25 to $30. This is an amazing cream. I use it at nighttime. The reason why I like this, it's very, very thin in texture. Almost reminds me of a gel. It's like a gel cream. It does have like this like stringy kind of texture, which if you think about it, it's kind of nasty because it's snail extract. So it's like that secretion that comes from the snail, which is gross, but I really like the way this cream feels on my skin. It does not break me out. I read online too, it's great for people that have acne prone skin or more combination, which is what I have, but I really love the texture. There's no smell, which I also really like, and it just really makes my skin feel super hydrated. Made in Korea, love this stuff. So if you're looking for an affordable cream that does a really great job, and if you have combination to oily skin, check this out. It's excellent. But it does contain the snail slime, which is weird. Then we also have this guy right here. This is from Clarins. It's called the Reboost Refreshing Hydrating Cream. Again, I really like this. It's the same kind of texture as the snail one. It's more on the gel kind of side. It has a slight smell, nothing that bothers my eyes though. It's very nice. Again, it's great for combination to oily skin. It contains coconut water, also contains fig, goji berry. It has really great ingredients in here. This line from Clarins is really great because this is their beginning hydration line, so it's affordable. So if you're looking to get into Clarins but you don't want to spend the money, because they do, the creams are a little bit on the pricey side. I think this one ranges for about $30-ish, but I love it. It's very hydrating, great for my combination skin. Yeah, and I use this when I do not want to put SPF on my face. I usually do use SPF every day, especially in the summertime, but I know if I'm not going out, maybe I'm not even leaving the house for the day, instead of using my SPF cream, I will go in with this guy right here, and this will be my hydration cream for the day if I don't want SPF. Now, for the last month, I've been trying out this guy right here. This is the Reversa Radiance cream with 4% glycolic acid, also contains vitamin C extract. This stuff is really good. I do break out from SPF, and so I have been experimenting a lot with different kinds just because I have been breaking out lately. I've been getting kind of little breakouts everywhere on my face, little bumps. So I've been testing out different skincare. I think so far so good. I'm okay with this one. I just think it's a combination of me sweating plus SPF. It's just breaking me out. But this one right here is really great. And the reason why I like this, not only does it contain SPF 30, which is great, it does contain glycolic acid and vitamin C. So it's anti-aging plus exfoliating. It does a lot of things in one. It's not just hydration with an SPF. It does a whole bunch of different things all together. So I really love this one. If you're looking for something, this is also made in Canada and it's on more of the affordable side. You can find this at Shoppers Drug Mart. It will go on sale for around the $30-ish mark. So again, very affordable, and I really like this one. Highly recommend if you're looking for something with SPF. And then last but not least, I have this guy right here. This is the Bondi Sands, the Australian tan. This is their everyday gradual tanning milk. I wanted to try something from this brand because recently we just got it in Canada. You can buy this product now at Shoppers Drug Mart. They have the full range. I don't need a self-tanner. I have so many self-tanners and they're all from Saint Tropez. I love Saint Tropez, but I've heard nothing but great things about this stuff, so I wanted to try something. And instead of buying the mousse, because the mousse is their top seller, I wanted to try the Gradual Everyday Tanning Milk because I'm running out of my Saint Tropez one. I thought, let's try this one. This stuff is unbelievable. The only thing I don't love, it does smell like chocolate. And I like to eat chocolate. Sometimes the smell of artificial chocolate kind of turns me off. I do like the scent of the Saint Tropez Gradual Self Tanner better, to be honest with you. Another great thing about this is that you do get 375 ml, which is way more also than the Saint Tropez Gradual one. So it does last longer, and I think it's cheaper. I really like the texture on this. It's very thin. It spreads out so evenly. You never get blotchy, and it gives you the most perfect bronze look, never orange, really easy to also apply around your wrists, your hands. I don't get that weird splotchiness with it. So if you're looking for an everyday kind of gradual body lotion, and to be honest with you, I'll use this probably once a week just to maintain my color, and that's good enough. If you use this 2 days in a row, you're gonna have a really nice bronze color that's not orange. So highly recommend it. If you're looking for something that just makes you bronze, that's easy to rub in, this would be it. It's really, really good. Alright, so these are my favorite products that I've been using all throughout the month of June. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, as always, please don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.